Hi, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use a liquid lipstick as an eyeliner, and I won't be doing this alone. I'll be collaborating with this girl called Gita. I think that's her name, I hope it's right, but I'll be collaborating with this girl Gita and we'll both be using liquid lipstick as an eyeliner. So if you want to see her look, make sure you watch mine first and then go on her channel. I will put it down below. Go over to her channel, watch how she done and subscribe to her channel. She's a really great creator. I highly recommend you go and watch her. You won't regret it. So if you would like to get this look right here, then keep on watching. Tried hurting my pride with it, and I took my time with it. So the liquid lipstick that I'm going to be using today is the Power Lips Fluid, and it will be in the shade Breadwinner. Sipping on some whiskey, but I need something stronger. Look at all the fucks I don't give to anyone but me. You always said that I'm a selfish human being. Look at all the fucks I don't give to anyone but me. You always said that I'm a selfish human being. Broke my heart, now you begging for change. Double cross me, then say you insane. Play these games, ain't tryna get saved. Got your hand out, I ain't even gon' wait. Ice in my cup, got ice in my veins. I'm showing out for took my chain. We getting paid, now you feeling that pain. Brand new bitch, she giving me pain. And I'm too gone. Thought I was gon' change, but you can't be that dumb. Now I'm too numb. Sipping on some whiskey, but I need something stronger. Look at all the fucks that you give to anyone but me. I always knew you were a selfish human being. Look at all the fucks that you give to anyone but me. Always knew you were a selfish human being. Look at all the fucks that you give to anyone but me. Always knew you were a selfish human being. If I make it out to New York, will I miss the sunset drives? I know growing up is due for me, but I've never been the type to fall in line. They knocked down the old grocery store, and more than now I don't feel right. Oh, my brother, he is so sure, but I'm lost without a clue and call it life. Where do I Jersey, but it's not good for me. Lost a dream so I could fit in neighborhoods of politics. Okay, so this is how I apply the Power Lips Fluid Lipstick as eyeliner. This is such a unique and fun idea. I can't believe that you can do this with just lipstick. So why not you give it a try at home? Okay, so if you want to get this liquid lipstick, in the description box below there will be a link taking you directly to the place where you can purchase this fantastic lipstick. Okay, so if you like this makeup, let me know down in the comments below what colours would you use as an eyeliner with a liquid lipstick. And also there will be 2 videos popping up here that you can click, and also there will be the subscribe button that is completely free to click as well. So that's it from me. Bye for now.